Well, check it out. Now, if you are going through the fight of your life, okay, and you are locked up, you can't get out on bail, right? Basically, you want to kind of know that the person that you are paying to represent you is spending every waking moment researching, reading, filing motions, doing anything and everything they can to get your ass out of prison. Now, in the case of Bobby Shmurda, he's kind of gotten a raw deal, man. Basically, when he got locked up, he got tossed in the bushes by his record label. They ain't want nothing to do with him, but they won't let him out of a contract. So they gave him basically a public defender. He said, what the fuck? Now, he opted to go with a defender or actually a lawyer that he was going to pay for or his family was going to help pay for. But then they realized they were coming into jokers on jokers on jokers. So he switched out lawyers like 3 times. Now, they settled with this one guy. His name is Alex Spiro. Sounds kind of, very like, Law and Order type of esque, right? So maybe this guy's with the shits, right? However, Bobby Shmurda showed up in court last week, and basically the judge is mad at Bobby Shmurda because for the second time in like a month, Bobby Shmurda's lawyer did not show up. Now, why would your lawyer? Again, you locked up. You are locked up 23 hours a day. When you go to court, you need to look your lawyer in the eye and make sure his mind is right. He got everything under control to get your ass out of prison. And basically, for the last 2 times y'all were in court or you were in court, he wasn't there. Now, basically, the judge was very pissed off at Bobby Shmurda saying, where is your lawyer? And this is what Bobby Shmurda said. He said, I called him, and he says he's on vacation and that he actually also has a trial that starts in July. Now, listen, man, you don't got to read between the lines. There's no lines to read between. Basically, Bobby Shmurda told the judge that, my lawyer just said I ain't a priority right now, and he got other cases, and he got to go bicking back being bull on a motherfucking beach. He ain't got no time for me, so when he's done vacationing and taking care of other people, he got me. That don't sound too well to me, okay? Now, again, this is the second time in little over a month. And basically, if you're wondering which case this is the case that really pertains to the prison shank. This is not the conspiracy case, which is the big case, but this is the prison shank case where he's accused of getting a prison shank from a shorty, and basically they charged him and the chick with it. She pled guilty. Now it's up on him for him to either fight the case or plead guilty as well. But pretty much, hey, maybe it's some type of strategy where the lawyer's trying to stall out this case until the other case starts. But regardless, it just doesn't look good, man. It doesn't look good when your lawyer ain't showing up and you have to be dragged to court because Bobby Shmurda is in custody. He got to be at every hearing, right? And also, this is what the judge said to Bobby Shmurda. The judge said, listen, man, you need to let your lawyer know that you pay salary, and if he wants to get paid, he needs to come here. So it's not looking too good, man. If your lawyer ain't showing up, that ain't nothing to play around with. Come on now, man. Come on. Isn't Bobby Shmurda getting a raw deal? Now, I've always advocated, I don't know if he's innocent or guilty, but I want him to get a fair trial and also for him to get the best possible representation because at the end of the day, he was a celebrity, and you would think that these guys have a ton of money that they could get the best of the best. When you see sloppy shit like this going on, you wonder, is the fix in? Maybe the fix is in and Bobby Shmurda's about to go down for 10-15. Who knows, man? I'm hoping that's not the case. I'm hoping he's innocent, but we'll find out. Get in the comment box, guys. Definitely subscribe to your boy Akademiks. I'm out.